All right, we're here in the garage. Murray's,
Piece of shit.
yeah, is making a rattling, buzzing, humming noise under load. We're fixing to put it up in the air and figure out what it is. I think it's Toyota. That's the problem. But
what?
wait, Murray's gonna.
300,000 miles on it.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
You lock in and you're good.
That sound is the most annoying sound in the world. That click. I hate safety.
That is the sound of safety.
All right. Well, we're going up in the air with the Mermobile, so we'll see what's loose under it.
Here, I don't know where necessarily.
Everything under here probably. Wait.
That could be it. But it doesn't look like it's falling off. So this.
Arlene's was like straight falling off, rubbing her drive shaft.
So that's what happened with this one, right? So you see where the fucking holes got wallered out and it fell right on the drive shaft, but
It might just be that this thing's that back piece being hanging out there like that.
So this is where we get the ladder. Good thing the windows are down. That's the rule number one. If you're gonna start a car in the lift, windows have to be down. Well, you can't lock a key in it and have a runaway car.
I mean, one of these. Give me something much.
It's up front farther. Because I got my hand on this one. I mean, it is right. It's that converter
It's
cover.
this guy. No, look, listen.
Yeah, the converter cover. Hey, let me see. Let me see the stick.
Yep.
All right. All right, so we figured out the problem. It's just converter shield here, but of course everything's rusted on. And amazingly, somebody had already taken this one off. So that one was probably rattling somewhere in its 300,000 mile life. And those two up there will probably start rattling someday. But for right now, we'll solve Murray's dilemma and move on.
One shit show at a time.
Put it in.
All right, here's all the carnage. So now we are shield delete, and where's the bolt? I broke the bolt in the frame, but hey, you know, maybe we'll get it out someday, but today ain't that day. If it stops rattling, you'll be happy, right?
Fucking done. Yeah.